Stop.
No.
It says here, let me go on further, it's just a matter of time before people realize the utility of cow urine.
Yeah,
Get this,
okay.
I'm opening up a new business.
Oh.
Now people are cashing in on this growing trend. They're going to do a commercial. It says here, we're going to manufacture eye drops, medicine for stomach ailment, toothpaste, bathing soaps, herbal powdered medicine, and among other things. You can buy this stuff to drink on a daily basis.
Are there any stats showing how many people this has cured?
No, but if it'd give me a
Okay.
full, thick set of hair again like I used to have, I'm in on it, huh?
Gross.
You
You'll
go
never kiss me
that
again.
late,
That'll
what is it,
work.
Lathan's hair clinic, whatever, one of them hair clinics.
I don't need it yet, Zach. You look like you made it. Zach, let me give you some advice. Your mama ain't gonna like what I'm gonna tell you.
Uh-oh.
If I was you, I'd shave my head and get me an earring.
No earring, and definitely, the way I'll shave my head is if it just gets so bad losing my hair, I have to. No earring.
You would be a prince among men.
Oh, you think I might find a woman then if
Well,
I...
no, I don't know if that'd help you with that or not, but I mean,
Mr.
you would
Clean.
be able to do a lot of things. All right, Zach, what else? Alabama football. Just when you thought Alabama, and this is what they said the other day, and I read this on CBS Sports, it said, just when you thought the Petrino story would be the most shocking story in sports of the day or that week,
Yeah.
Saban outdoes them by coming in and hiring Lane Kiffin.
I mean, everybody thought, since something's going on down there, and I was like, oh, Nussmeier's fine, but you go back and look, and they said the last 4 ball games, we were, going back to the Mississippi State game, we didn't play good, but, Lane Kiffin, like I said, Tennessee fans are all up in arms about it. They just...
Oh, I bet.
Well, I can't wait to go up there on October 25th.
They're going to have extra security for Coach Kiffin. Kiffin's going to have more security than Saban is.
You think so?
Oh, yeah. So, but I think, if they had hired Coach Orgeron, that would have maybe even been a bigger splash. But they said he wants to stay closer to Louisiana and watch his kids play football. So,
all right, a couple other things quickly I'll mention before Zach has to depart for work. They're having the Hall of Fame banquet that they postponed for the last several years, every 2 years for the Music Hall of Fame in Alabama, in Muscle Shoals this year. I have not seen that DVD out. Well, it just came out on DVD. February 25th, the Shoals DVD out. Now, people like Joseph Cannon, people like that, up and up, know all things about Athens. They've probably been to the movie to see it. They got invited because they're politicians.
That's right. You're special when you're in politics, I guess.
We other folks here, we don't have that privilege a lot. Anyway, that DVD is coming out February 25th. Muscle Shoals, you'll be able to get it. Zach, have you heard about it? It won great accolades from everyone in the music and the video business.
It seems like y'all having a TV station, they want to come out and promote it.
You think that?
Just like Keith Dummett did with his DVD.
Or you think they'd invite me over to the Hall of Fame and put me in for 40 years of quality service in Tennessee?
Absolutely. That's what I'd think.
Well, they put Country Boy Eddie in. Why can't you put me in?
There you go. Old is old.
Is Benny Carl in?
And I'll bring a jug of...
Old is old.
Yeah, old is old over that way. All right, Zach, anything else we need to expect out of Alabama football? Any other announcements coming up?
Should be interesting.
Well, Kevin Steele turned down the Louisville defense coordinator job to stay on staff. I think you could see another move on the coaching staff.
You think Kirby's leaving?
No, I think it could be Greg Brown, the defensive backs coach. I think you possibly see, no inside information, but I believe you can see Kirby Smart going back coaching DBs, which I think that's his best position, and see Kevin Steele coaching outside linebackers. Well, inside linebacker.
So now you're the biggest Bama football fan I know. Now that football season's over and ended on a disappointing 2-loss deal, what do you do?
That's what everybody says.
What do you do?
Get ready for spring practice. I get to go to the coaching clinic in March, so we're already looking forward to March going to see Alabama.
You were also on the West Neighbor show the other day, weren't you?
Yes, I was.
Yeah.
I
think Dusty said he heard you on there.
I'm looking forward to going to the beach, and he's looking forward to spring practice.
Well, that's my vacation, Gloria. I don't go to the beach or anything. It's Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, so 3 days. So that's my.
Was that good to see you, man? Roll Tide.
Okay, you give you.
Yeah. That's right. I forgot. Yeah. Maybe I read wrong. Go ahead.
Do what makes you happy. Be with who makes you smile. And as much as you breathe, and love as long as you live.
I wish Shut Up could have been here to hear it.
I know.
He'll be with us on Wednesday. Thank you, Zach. We got to go. We got
a house full of beautiful girls.
Yeah, take a break, and we'll talk with Joseph Cannon in just a little bit, too, about what happened in the city council meeting last night. The girls are coming up next. They're all here, ready to go. Y'all hang on.